In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an ePortfolio in Google Sites. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is open up a web browser and go to sites.google.com. From here, sign into your account. Now, we can go ahead and click on a blank site, or we can choose a template if you want a pre-designed layout. It's up to your choice. Now for this demonstration, I'm just going to choose a template. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and click on template gallery. We can have a look at all the different templates, but one I'm going to use is this portfolio one, like so. Now once we've used this template, we can change it up. We can delete the images, we can change everything inside of here. So from here, I can change this to welcome to my portfolio. We can change the image. Now if we can scroll down here, we can go ahead and change everything down here. On the right, we've got all our tools. So we've got insert, pages, themes. I'm not going to get too heavily involved into that because that's going to make this video quite long. Also, we can go ahead and put your name and add a logo if you like, and add a header. Now this will also update your site title shown on each page as well. So I'm just going to type in ePortfolio for this demonstration. And as I said, we can customize the home page, so you can use the text box, images and layouts. We can write a short introduction about yourself, and we can add pages for your contact. So to do that, click on pages and add more pages if you like. So you can add a new page, give that a name, insert content. We can customize the design by going to themes. We can change the colors, the text and all that stuff inside of here. As you can see, that changes. We can also add navigations inside of here. Now once you've finished customizing your ePortfolio, we can go ahead and click on publish. Now we want to go ahead and publish to the web, so give this a web address. So I'm going to see if tutorial whiz is taken. Alright, so it's already taken, so I might just give this a number. Alright, so I'm going to like this, and also where it says search settings, request public search engines not to display my site, so you can check that if you like, but I'm just going to keep it as is. So now I'm going to publish this site to make it live. Now it says your site has been published successfully. We can go ahead and view this. So now I'm just going to go ahead and click on view. And that's it. So yeah, simple as that. But yeah, take your time designing your site. Also keep the layout clean and professional. Use consistent formatting and colors. Also add a contact form under contact page so people can reach you. Also update your portfolio regularly with new work or achievements.